PNB Gilts Q3 FY26 results, strategic gains in volatile markets. PNB Gilts has reported its financial results for the third quarter of 2026, showcasing a strong performance with a net profit of 58.4 crore rupees. This result reflects the company's ability to capitalize on bond market movements and maintain healthy spreads despite the high interest rate environment prevalent during the quarter. The company's total income for the quarter reached 412 crore rupees, a notable increase driven by higher interest income from its diverse portfolio of government securities and treasury bills. PNB Gilts, as a leading primary dealer, has effectively managed its inventory to minimize valuation risks while maximizing trading gains. Trading profits remained a key highlight this quarter, contributing 32 crore rupee to the overall bottom line. The company's strategic positioning in short to medium-term sovereign papers allowed it to benefit from the flattening of the yield curve seen in late 2025, proving its expertise in fixed income markets. Operating expenses were kept under tight control, showing a marginal decline compared to the previous year. This disciplined approach to costs, combined with a robust risk management framework, has allowed PNB Gilts to maintain superior return ratios for its shareholders during the October to December period. The company's investment portfolio continues to be heavily weighted toward high-quality sovereign assets, ensuring minimal credit risk. This focus on safety and liquidity has enabled PNB Gilts to act as a vital intermediary in the primary and secondary markets for government debt in India. Management has indicated that while global macroeconomic uncertainty persists, the domestic inflation trajectory is showing signs of stabilization. This could lead to more favorable trading opportunities in the 2027 fiscal year as market participants begin to price in potential rate pauses or cuts by the Reserve Bank of India. Financially, the company remains extremely well capitalized with a capital to risk-weighted assets ratio (CRAR) of over 35%, far exceeding the minimum regulatory requirements for primary dealers. This strong capital buffer provides the company with significant leverage to scale its trading operations as opportunities arise. During the quarter, PNB Gilts also saw increased activity in its corporate bond underwriting and distribution business. By diversifying its revenue streams beyond pure government securities trading, the company is building a more balanced and sustainable business model for the long term. Investors should note the company's consistent track record of rewarding shareholders. While a mid-term dividend was not announced this quarter, the strong accretion to reserves strengthens the case for a robust final payout at the end of the fiscal year, subject to board approval and market conditions. Looking ahead, the inclusion of Indian government bonds in global indices is expected to drive higher foreign inflows and secondary market liquidity. PNB Gilts is strategically positioned to be a major beneficiary of this structural shift in the Indian debt market over the next 12 to 18 months. In conclusion, Q3 FY26 was a quarter of smart tactical play and solid fundamental growth for PNB Gilts. With its deep market expertise and fortified balance sheet, the company remains one of the most reliable ways for investors to gain exposure to the professional management of the Indian fixed income space. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.